All right, I have the AEGISLINK S-RF500 smoke detector. I'm a fan of AEGISLINK devices. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. And they've sent me a few of these to evaluate, and now I have them all over my house. And one of the cool things about AEGISLINK devices is that the RF on here stands for radio frequency. So these things can all be linked to each other, and as long as it's an AEGISLINK RF device, you can link it together with any other AEGISLINK RF device. Now it comes with a user manual, some mounting hardware, a couple of anchors, a couple of screws, and inside of there we have a pairing pin. And the pairing pin is what you use to link these devices together. That's actually cool looking. I mean, a little space age design there. A little different than the other ones I've seen, but I like it. Basically, just like any other smoke detector, it's got a mount on the bottom of it. So we're gonna pull that mount off, and there it is. So you've got two mounting holes in here, so you can mount it on the wall, you can mount it on the ceiling, wherever you want to mount it, and you just screw this back, you just screw the guy onto there once you've got the mount on there. Now these instructions can also be downloaded as a PDF on the product page you saw this product on. One of the cool things about this too is it runs off of a very common CR123A battery, which can be found anywhere. These batteries usually have a 5-year lifespan, which is good because smoke detectors themselves usually have a 10-year lifespan on them. And it comes with a plastic piece on here, so it's protected during shipment. So you pull that out, and it's good to go. It's got a little pull tab here for when you want to replace the battery too. So let's see how loud it is. I'm going to turn the volume down on the video, but I have to check it just because I want to know. So a little test button on the front here. Just press it once. Woo! That's loud. Loud's good. We want loud with smoke detectors. So the way you pair these up is pretty simple. You take this pairing pin that they gave you in this bag, press it and hold it down, and it'll beep once to let you know that it's gone into pairing mode. You take the second device, take the pairing pin, press it down until it beeps, and it'll search for a device to pair to. And you can pair up to 24 of these together, which is pretty cool. And they have an RF range of 820 feet, so you can figure that out. You can cover a massive amount of distance with these. And when they're linked up together, the cool thing about them is if one of them goes off, they all go off. And let's say you had 24 of them in your house. You got a house and you got 24 of them, and if you want to find out the device that actually triggered the alarm in the first place, it'll flash red while the others are flashing green to let you know that they're working correctly. If you need a chart for where you're supposed to hang smoke detectors in your house, you can consult the manual or look online. But yeah, really nice looking device, really cool features with the radio frequency feature in it where you can link 24 of them together. I just think that's awesome. Anyway, check it out, the AEGISLINK S-RF500. Check it out.